Hi, I'm Lahiru, a software engineer who builds AI automation that saves time. Today, I'll show a small tool I built. It turns a Fathom meeting transcript into a ready to edit email automatically. Before this, I had to copy transcript and paste it into ChatGPT, copy the output, then paste it into an email. Four manual steps. That's slow and error prone. Now, I paste the transcript here, click the submit, and the workflow runs in the background. The end result is an email draft that arrives in my inbox. This is small n8n workflow triggered by the webhook. It cleans the transcript, send it to Gemini with the prompt template, and formats the output as an email draft using Gmail API. Here's the draft. Subject and body are already formatted. Summary, decisions, owner, and next steps. I can edit and send. If you want this automated for your meetings, I can set it up for your Fathom and Gmail accounts or deliver white label version. I'm taking a small client project on Upwork to build deployable automations. Reach out and I'll share the full workflow. If you like this demo, check the portfolio entry for the screenshot and the sample transcript and output.